Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing better in your life. So without wasting any single minute, let's continue with our video. So guys, in this video, what we will learn about is fully automation and other electrical systems that we use in our daily regular life. First and foremost, I will continue with my lessons like what we will learn in our channel. So this is one of our introductory part of our channel in which we will describe what kind of videos or what kind of practical examples we will push you or we will give you to sort out into your lives. So let's begin with that. So number one, what we will learn in our channel. We will learn in our channel. So it's a full description that what lessons or what type of videos we will give in our channel. So guys, please give fully conscious on this. Number one, single phase wiring. Single phase wiring from basic to advanced. So everyone, in we will start first and foremost with single phase wiring, in which we will give you the some basic steps, and after that show you how to connect a single circuit board, and rather further when we move further we'll show you each and everything with a sequential way, so you can learn on easily basis that how to develop your skills. So let's begin. In this single phase wiring, we will learn number one, first basic house wiring. Basic house wiring. Secondly, we will learn how to connect switches, sockets. So it must be visible to you. And CB connections. CB connections. Number two, fan regulators. Fan, light, and regulator wirings. So these are the things that we will learn in single phase wiring. First and foremost, basic house wiring, in which we will show you that how to do a single phase connections like switches, circuit boards, switches, sockets, MCB connections, and then next second number, fan regulator connections, lightning connections, and many more which are used in common basic like house wiring in buildings. So next and last foremost, this one is the most important part. So first and foremost, everyone can do that like simple wiring, but to find erections or to find the faults, it is most important. So in the last in of single phase wiring concept, this is a concept one. So in the last we will tell you that how to troubleshoot and find faults whenever you face issues while doing single phase wiring. So next begin. Second number. This is our second concept, three phase wiring. Phase wiring. Industrial. Three phase motor connection. Second number, star and delta charging, or and delta starter wiring. Number 3, tractors. So this is our second concept in which we will discuss about three-phase wiring. So one and foremost, the most important thing is that the three-phase and single-phase wiring. The majorly difference of this is that we can normally use single-phase wiring in our homes, which is about 200 to 220 volts supply, and in three-phase wiring, there is a wiring concept which is different from the single-phase one. So because this is mostly used in industrial line where we require a high voltage power like 440 voltage, so each and every concept of this will be cleared in a video. So let's see what concepts we will cover. In this we will see three-phase motor connections, like how to connect a three-phase motors and like all that. First and foremost, we will learn this thing in theoretical basis, and whenever we will go to our sites, so we will shoot the regulatory blocks for our site to show you how to connect any typical wiring connections whenever you visit any site, or to increase or to elevate your experience. So three-phase motor connections, star and delta wiring, starter wiring, contactor and overload relay connections. So first and foremost, all of these things you must, those who are doing or those who are starting their career as an electrical engineer, they must know the difference between like contactors, overload relays, and many more things like overload relays, RTD, and many more. So each and everything will be shown to you. So please be online with us in this channel, on this channel, so you can enjoy and learn new skills and elevate your life progress. And last is industrial panel wiring. So in industrial panel wiring, it is most commonly used in every type of industries. Panels are the most subconscious, and we can say that the most privileged particulars that are used in electrical systems in any industry. Without panels, no industry can run. So it is one of the most important part which we will discuss at last. So at the last, we will show you after completing single phase wiring connection, three phase wiring connection, we will move on to automation and control wiring. Our third concept is automation and control wiring. So in this one, number one is relay logics, step by step. Second is timer based control circuit. Number three, interlocking and safety circuit. control panel. Right. Yeah. So our third concept is automation and control wiring. So in this concept, it is always as it is created from its name, automation. So in this concept, after the three-phase wiring like star delta wiring and others, normally three-phase motor connections, we will move on to a automation part, which is the most important part as an automation engineer in your life. So see, in this video, I know everyone, those who will see such type of videos are just a gathering or the starters of their life in the career. So do not take any tense regarding this as we also start in our life step back last few years and now we are capable of doing all such things. So it is no matter how long it will take you to understand the particular things. You can simply watch again and again and understand each and everything clearly. So let's see in our third concept what we will include. It's a relay logic step by step means relay logics. Relay logic is a mostly control language RLC which we call RLC. The RLC means relay logic controller in which we control the panel or we can say we will control the supply through the relay logics. And secondly, timer based control circuits. Timer based control circuits are mostly used everywhere where we need to interlock or where we require to hold or to push the supply as per our desired time value. So after that we are looking interlocking and safety circuits, that how we will safely uh, combine the circuits or combine the connections, and interlocking means how we can intervene the supply from one to another modes in a simple way. So the last one is control panel designing. This is also important, right? So mark is important. Control panel designing. What is control panel designing? So first and foremost, the control panel designing is a wholly program, or we can say that the whole circular basis. It's one of the most important part in which we design a panel controls, that how we will distribute the supplies and how we will particularly give the supply to the other output sources so we can generate our electrical appliances. And one of the foremost part in our next concept, so let's move to our next concept, which is VFD basics and working principles. So in this concept, VFD basics and working principles. So let's start. First and foremost, what is VFD? So what are VFDs? VFD are the variable frequency drives. Variable frequency drive. So it is basically cleared by its name what is VFD called and why it is used in industries. Variable frequency drive. So in this way, variable frequency, we can vary frequency through a manual modes. So to interpret our electrical appliances system, like somewhere we need to push a motor at 100 hertz speed, so we will increase that, and after some time we require to decrease the speed so that we can complete our abandoned production material or whatsoever the process is. So it is basically used where we need to alter the speed of the motor. Write it down. It is used where we need to complete the production process can process at different speed limits. So different speed limits means we can vary the frequency and can increase or decrease the frequency and speed of the motor to complete our rotation and complete our production functions which are required in any of the industry. So in this concept, how it runs parameters. So guys, everyone can see this. I think this is visible to everyone. Parameter settings. Normally like Siemens drive. Siemens drive. And second is motor speed control. Motor speed control. Second is fault diagnosis and solutions. So these are the things that we will cover in our VFD and working principles concept. Fourth concept. So in this we will see how to do its parameter settings. Like normally we'll run Siemens drive, so I will show you how we can change the settings and can save the parameters so our drive can run subsequently and frequently. So second number, motor speed control, how we can control our motor speed of the motor. And number third, fault diagnosis and solution, how we can search for the faults whenever it erodes and rectify it with a better life solutions. So at last we will show you the practical site example. See here in video we will show each and every concept. I will repeat my wording again. In this video we will clear each and every concept as practical and theoretical basis. So first and foremost we will do here theory, and after that whenever we go to our site, so I can shoot the blogs for you and just put them on our channel, so you can take a look on that and ask whatever questions you like to ask in our comment section. So it will be able to increase your knowledge as well as practical and theoretical. So last, this is all we will do in our channel. There are four majorly concepts and there are several other concepts we will cover later. So first and foremost we will start with these basics. Number one, single phase wiring. Second, number three phase wiring. Number third, automation and control wiring. Here automation and control wiring. Number four, VFD basics and working principles. And at last I want to just to convey this message that those who are interested to build their career as an electrical engineer or to enhance their knowledge, so this is a simple preference to those who are watching videos on this channel. This channel is simply based on simple and practical explanations which can enhance your knowledge, and secondly, real field experience. So whenever we shoot our blogs, it's like a real based, like a real life based experience, so which you can endure whenever you go into the industrial line. And mostly whatever, this is one of the channel where we will talk about the useful things which are useful for electricians, technicians and students, those who are starting their career as an electrical engineer. So this is all, that we are going to do in our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. This is a introductory part in which we had discussed that what concepts we will cover in our channel and how we can perform all the activities step by step, so which will be easier for everyone to understand. So this is all. Thank you so much. Have a good day. And those who are new to our channel, please follow, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.